Hello everyone, let's see what we are going to create. It has a nice effect. Let's see how we can create it. Okay, let's start. At first we need to create the first slide. In the new slide, the most important thing on creating that is that at first we need to create these things. Let's create them. These are some rectangles with a text, nothing really special. First rectangle, we create it. Okay, it's good. Now paste the text in it. I also let's copy the text and paste it here. Increase the size. For the font, it's up to you. Let's use Impact or Sakal Mahala. It's good font. Now we go to shape format, align it center and align it middle. Okay, it's good. It's the first one. Now we decrease the size a little by holding Control. Now we create another copy of that, but we delete this thing and bring it here. Okay, it's good. Now we need to paste a text on it. We copy the text. We just copy the text, paste it here. Paste the text, we select these two and then align them center, align them middle. Okay, we do that. And after that, we copy that another time by holding Control and Shift. Copy that another time. For 3 times, I think. Yes, for 3 times. Then each time copy the text. Copy the text, paste it here. And another time copy the text. Paste it here. Now we need to recolor them. We select all of them. Go here, set the shape outline to none. And for the color, I'm going to use blue. Then I'm going to use green, red. Red is not good in your PowerPoints. Don't use it. These kind of colors are better. Now after that, we select these two, group them. Sorry. Now group them. Now for the effect, how we can create the effect. The importance of creating effect is really easy. You need to just create 2 circles. One here and another one here. And after that, select both of them, set the shape outline to white and shape outline to none. Now just copy this slide. Select them, bring them down, do this another time, but here I think we can bring it a little downer. Sorry, let me zoom in. Okay, it's good. Let me bring it downer. We copy that, select all of them. Bring it a little top, a little down. Okay, it's good. Copy that. Select all the shapes. Do the same thing. Now select all of them and set the transition to morph. Let's see, your slide is ready. If you want, you can bigger the curve, but it's good for me. I hope you enjoy it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.